over my shades.
Yeah. Andy and I about to enter the White House for the first time. Not the first time, but
well, Anthony's about to get kicked out.
Yeah, exactly. For recording video, because we're not supposed to be recording video. We're going to be allowed to take pictures for the first time during a public tour. So here we go. Just let me know when.
Go.
So, had a special invite to walk out on the lawn to watch Marine One land and pick up the president. So we're literally out in front of the White House right now, on the lawn. Is the media scene at the Navy Yard with the news this morning of a possible shooter, but all's clear, just waiting for a press conference.
Sorry.
Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Rich, grilling with Rich, and Andy @sup on Twitter. We are at what what is it called? The
Pork Barrel Barbecue.
Pork Barrel Barbecue. Where are we? Delray, Alexandria. And we are, that's the other thing, is like I can't flip this thing. This is our dinner. Yeah. Oh wow, what is that? So that's pork. That's pork.
Brisket.
Pork. And lots of mac and cheese and beans. Kim arrived in DC today, and we're out shooting Union Station first, and then we're going to scout our fireworks location tomorrow, which on Roosevelt Island. So it should be fun, but Kim's doing a killer job here. So here we are the day after the 4th. Kim and I are about to venture home, but we wanted to stop at this National Building Museum where they actually have a really cool installation that we're going to check out.